Hi everyone, it's Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and welcome to another project recap video. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. In this project recap, I'm going to be talking about projects from 2 months actually. It's going to be August and September 2025. I'll try to be quick. You'll get a chance to see all of the jewelry worn on a person, which is me. I'll talk a little bit about the inspiration and fun trivia behind each of the pieces. Then we'll do this time last year, where I'll show you some fun, memorable pieces from September of 2024. And finally, I'll share with you some teasers for upcoming projects. So, let's see what tutorials you can find on our channel from August and September. First up, we have this layered Pondo stitch bracelet or double right angle weave bracelet. It was made with our August collection called Mystic Tides, though it didn't use much of the products from this collection, just the 11-0s, but that was definitely a Pondo or double right angle weave stitch month for me. And a fun piece of trivia is that the more accurate name for this stitch is the double right angle weave stitch. Even though Pondo is the more common name, the most popular, the actual Pondo stitch that originated in Africa looks a little bit different and is made using a slightly different technique. So this is a double right angle weave stitch and it's layered. I really love this bracelet. I really love how it came out and I love the colors from our Mystic Tides collection. Next up, along the same ballpark, we have cubic Pondo stitch or cubic double right angle weave stitch. I told you this was a double right angle weave month for me. So these were all originally put on memory wire as a bracelet, but I wanted to experiment a little bit more. So I made this earring with a single segment here and a triple segment here. So these are basically beaded beads because with cubic Pondo stitch or cubic double right angle weave, they are much more stiff. The stitch is much more rigid and it doesn't really have much give. But I really love how these really tiny ones turned out. And if you like this sort of seed bead work, make sure to check out that video. Oh, and these were also made with beads from our August collection. Next up, we did some peyote stitch bezels on backing, so bead embroidery. So this tutorial was pretty basic and you can learn how to bezel any round or oval stone in bead embroidery with peyote stitch. As you can see, I started a lot of bezels for that video and I didn't actually manage to finish a lot of them. I especially wanted to look at this one, which is made with a stone from the August collection as well. I wanted to put some ginkgo beads and some of the gem duos around it and show you how to attach them in bead embroidery. Let me know if you would like that. I didn't do that back in August because the collection sold out pretty quickly and we had to jump onto the next one, but let me know if you would like a tutorial for that. Now we're in September and that's when we launched our Plot Twist collection. And this is the first project from this collection. It's a bookmark, so it's jewelry for your books. I really like how it turned out. It's pretty three-dimensional. That's the back. And the story of this one is that I spent 2 evenings designing this, but I really wanted these dagger beads to kind of stick out to the sides, and I was determined to be able to do that while also making a bezel around the stone because there's a Rivoli stone inside. So I really wanted to do this and I finally found how on my second evening designing this. Next up were these super cute tiny earrings made with pinch beads. They are reversible, so they are 3D. And they are just so cute. And a piece of fun trivia about them is that I created them based off of the tiny diamond dangle earrings that I designed way back when. And if you watch the tutorial, you will learn how these are similar. Then we have this beautiful pair of earrings with Preciosa crystal bicones. I love them, they look beautiful, and one thing I'm gonna say about them is when you go around your work enough times with the right beads, you can design really interesting things. So I just designed these by going in circles, and that's how these came to be. Alright, we're in the middle of September now, and the light collection is launched. It's a Treasures of Time collection, and it has a lot of metal elements. Some people didn't like it. Let us know in the comments if you did. I certainly found some nice uses for that chain that was included in this collection. These earrings are gorgeous on the ears, and this is only brick stitch around a frame, so they are also quite easy and quick to make. Make sure that you check out the video to learn how to make them. I'm of the opinion that even a beginner will be able to make these, and if you like things that dangle and drape beautifully, these are definitely for you. Then the last September project was the Chronos bracelet with this colorway, made with the mid-month collection as well, so the Treasures of Time collection. I think this colorway is absolutely beautiful, and you can make this bracelet in two different versions, either with the wipe duo and 6mm round bead sections, or just the wipe duos all along. This is a Chronos bracelet. You can find a tutorial on our channel. And now it's time for this time last year. So this time last year we launched the Alpine Vista collection, and I made these earrings, and these are two versions of, well, not the same but similar idea of earrings. One is with cradle beads that have horizontal holes, and one is with cradle beads that have vertical holes. And I think both of these came out really nice. Also with beads from that collection, I made this lovely necklace. I really love how the teacup beads look like tiny little flowers, and the colorway is really so happy. Plus, I really love the sort of peaceful monotony of making this necklace, because you just go around and round and round and round, and you can watch your favorite show as you do it, and you end up with a beautiful necklace. This time last year, we also launched a new series of Gleamcraft findings, the Blooming Treasure series, and I used them to make this bead embroidered brooch. It has some of the bead caps in the center and the connectors and charms over here. And the interesting thing about this is that the petals of the flower are made with silk ribbon. This is so much fun to make, and in the tutorial I also show you how to hide the bottom of your brooch base under the backing. So go check that tutorial out from September of last year. Finally, now it's time for some teasers, and I know I'm teasing these for a second time, but this time I really have a reason, because we are going to be restocking the Blush Meadow collection, and these are made with supplies from the collection. The tutorial is already recorded, so this lovely pattern is coming to you very soon. Now the second teaser is a really big one. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, real quick. It's a teaser for the October collection as well. And that's all I'm gonna say about it. That was the project recap for September and August 2025. If you like it, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up. And even though the collections that I mentioned here today are sold out, you can find all of the individual supplies at eurekacrystalbeads.com. Thank you so much for watching this short video, and see you in the next one. Bye!